Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. This is a small presentation on public expenditure, topic number 1. Me myself, Dr. Shweta Sadanand Singh Thakur from MPCC Commerce College, and this topic belongs to BCom semester 5 students. Let us discuss what are we going to talk about in this particular slides. The very first topic is meaning of public expenditure, and second we are going to discuss about the definition of public expenditure. So let's move for the first topic. What is public expenditure? Public expenditure refers to government expenditures, that is government spending. That means it clearly indicates that public expenditure means government spending, government expenditures. These expenditures is incurred by central, state and local government of a country. In other words, we can say that open consumptions allude to government use. For example, government spending. It is acquired by focal, state and neighborhood legislature of a nation. So here is the proper definition of public expenditure. Public expenditure can be defined as the expenditure incurred by public authorities like central, state and local governments to satisfy the collective social wants of the people is known as public expenditure. These two topics have been gathered from these websites, and you can further go through with this so that you get a clear idea about the details about the public finance. Till that, thank you, and we will meet in the next session.